Yeah, big up on yourself, all my viewers and my subscribers. So we're here to talk about the new announcement, the new money announcement. As you guys all know, the monopoly money is here. Yes, it is here. And I guess some of you might say, wow, this is great. This is awesome. And some of you are saying, oh, I'm skeptic about this. But look at it, people. These that you see coming into play now is just distraction. Yes, because mainly what the government is planning to do now is bringing the digital currency. And some of you will be saying, ooh, nice. That means I don't have to use the paper. Wrong. It will be in the cloud. Your money will be in the cloud. So at any time, the government or anybody can hold your funds, freeze your funds, control your money. If you don't understand what I'm saying, once your money is in the cloud, it's not paper anymore. All that you see that Mr. Nigel Clark is advertising, that's not really the big play. Basically, the big play is digital currency like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and you guys all know it. So I'm just opening your guys' eyes to this, opening your eyes to this so you can understand and know what's going on. Yes. So the other day, Mr. Andrew Olness, yes, the boss himself, he announced the Jamdex. So the Jamdex is basically a digital currency where you can pay people, you can receive money basically without using the live cash paper money. Yes, so this guy himself announced it's not live yet. Up is not about yet, but it will be. So I'm just letting you guys know the full 100 on this. And yes, so that is basically what they are planning to do. If you do listen to this message, find it interesting, you think I'm telling a bag of crap, or you think I'm telling the truth, or you think it's just phony, let me know in the comment section down below. You guys can like the video, share the video please, and subscribe if you want to, only if you want to.